Morning crew. It is Monday morning and I'm fairly certain my kids are already filthy. It's like 8 o'clock, if that. Son, quit drawing on yourself. It's not war paint. Alright, just draw on the floor. Long story short is I'm pretty sure Angie and I forgot to close the vlog down yesterday. So it's Monday. We're going to spend a majority of the day at the beach today, I think. And then we also have some family photos. So we'll see. I think we have a photographer that's coming down to meet us down at the beach and do some fun beach photos. We're gonna make some pancakes and sausage. Come on. All right, so the little kids are napping. You three are playing some checkers. You guys are doing some reading. Mom is running. Dad will be eating some cheesecake that's in that fridge right there. Grandnana and the older girls playing a little hopscotch. At least I think she's teaching them how to play. I have also never seen a grandma play hopscotch while in a back brace. That's pretty impressive. Well done, Grandnana. Noah, you helping me watch for the babies? Make sure they don't wake up from their nap. My little buddy fell asleep and he's snoring. It's only like 10:30, but the kids have been getting up super early since we've been here, so completely understand.
Devotion that brings me down. That without my love for the ocean, I will be no one. No
No, so we just got back from the beach. Well, we didn't just get back, but got back a couple hours ago, had some lunch, and now we are all prepping for family pictures, which means we're all showering and getting ourselves cleaned up and then heading back out to the beach to meet the photographer. All right, wow, you guys clean up pretty nice here. Look at little J-Man. He's looking good, big man.
Yeah,
looking really
good. What are you gonna do with it when you're in the
looking good. That's good. Me and the Millie Bear. Say hi, Mills.
Why did you email me the pictures? It's all for buying prints. She's gonna email me the pictures. Check the
duck face. Put them, okay, I will take care of that in just a moment. All right, we are headed to go take some family pictures. Let's do this, crew. JJ, follow mom.
Okay, we're back. It's not that pictures were a nightmare. It's just that it was really, really windy and a mess and cold. The kids they behaved, they were just cold. As you can see, well, you probably didn't see me before. Any curl I had in my hair, gone. No more curl. So we'll see. Like I said, I think, and I told the photographer this, I was like, I think beach pictures sound really idyllic, like it's gonna be so beautiful, but the reality is it's cold and windy. And so at the end of the day, I have really low expectations, but I'm going to see how these turn out, and then probably, since we all have the outfits, probably put them all back on and take some at home, just where it's not windy and crazy. You know, I wanted the beach pictures to like commemorate our vacation with Grandnana, but the kids were crying, and at some points cold and windy, the babies were shivering, so we'll see.
Where are we headed?
Date night.
Date night, boom.
Donna's watching the kids, and we're gonna go in here to Daddy Mac's and have a glass of wine and some good food. Stressful family pictures. We got the kids ice cream, and we're just gonna, we're gonna woosah. That's what we're gonna do.
And we're gonna leave you guys here. We're gonna wrap this up tonight.
Yeah, we're gonna end it. We're done. We're done.
Day.
We love you guys, but we need a little.
She needs a little bit of this right there. See you later, tweets.
Bye.